We'll guide you through how to complete a task in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and wait for the browser to load completely. In the search bar, type Asana and press enter to search for the official website. From the search results, click the official Asana website and wait for the login page to appear. Sign into your account using your registered email address and password to access your workspace. After logging in successfully, go to the Project or My Tasks section where the task you want to complete is located. Find the specific task you want to mark as done and click the checkbox next to the task name. The task will be marked as completed automatically once the checkbox is selected. Alternatively, open the Task Details panel if you need to review more information before completing it. Inside the Task panel, click the Mark as Complete button to finish the task manually. Verify that the task's status changes to completed after the action is applied. The task will then move to the completed section or be hidden depending on your view settings. If needed, you can reopen completed tasks using filter options in the project field. Check the activity history if you need to confirm when and by whom the task was completed. Make sure all subtasks are also completed if the task depends on smaller steps. Confirm that project progress updates automatically after completion. You can continue managing the remaining tasks in your project as usual. Asana will automatically save all changes without requiring manual input. Completing tasks consistently helps keep project tracking accurate and organized. This ensures all team members can clearly see overall project progress in real time. Close the task panel once you have finished reviewing the completed task. Task completion is now fully recorded and saved in the project history.